Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making an Orange Julius. So what goes into an Orange Julius? 6-ounce frozen orange juice concentrate. This is actually 12 ounces, so I'll only be using half of that. 1 cup milk. 1 cup water. 1/4 cup powdered sugar, which makes it a lot smoother than regular sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 cup ice. And then a sliced orange for garnish. So let's begin. So you want to add the orange juice concentrate. And I could either double this recipe or just use half of this because it's a 12-ounce container. But I'm only going to do half. That way I can make more for another day. Add 1 cup of milk. And you don't have to use orange. You can have strawberry or raspberry, whatever fruit flavor you'd like, strawberry, banana. Now this would be another good day in the kitchen with your kids or grandkids. It's so easy to make, and you'll have something delicious to drink afterwards. And 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 cup ice cubes. And I'll put the lid on, turn the power on, and we blend it till nice and smooth. Okay, so it is smooth and frothy. Go ahead and put it in a cup and garnish it with an orange slice. And here is the finished product.
That's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.